All right, guys, welcome to a day of CVX Live. We've got friends here. This is Penn. What's up, Penn? Do you guys know these guys? If you've ever worn Christmas jammies, you might know them. The Holderness family, YouTube family. He's streaming right now live on 3 different platforms. No, just kidding. And Lil Penn right here. Penn Jr. doing the Bernie dance. So here's the deal. They live in Raleigh, North Carolina. They came all the way out to Utah for CVX Live, and so they've been stuck in the hotel for 2 days. So we're like, come over to our house and eat donuts and chocolate. And then we decided they actually need some healthy stuff, so we gave them blueberries and stuff. Thank you, Leslie.
Thank you, Leslie.
He doesn't like blueberries. He's my kind of guy right there. So we're gonna head down. We're gonna show you the entire day of the madness that is CVX Live. It is not VidCon. It's not Playlist Live, but...
Nope, it's not.
So we're gonna take off, give these guys a ride. Have you guys ever been in a Tesla Model X before?
We've been in an Uber.
Yeah.
There you go.
Woo!
We went to a Chevy.
It's very similar.
We good?
Yeah. Claire's cuddling with her ginormous Claire Bear. Okay. Bye-bye. Here's the update. We are driving. We're gonna go down there, and I'm just decided, why don't we have Penn drive? And he's actually excited about it. This is so great.
There's no handle.
Okay, push on that black handle thing. Just push on it. Push on a little harder. There you go, there you go. Okay, now go ahead and hop in. Sorry, this is usually higher, but the sensor could see
I really
the
like the color. It's kind of Imperial Troopers kind of. Is that what you're going
Yeah.
for?
I like. Yep. Now, put your foot on the brake.
Okay.
There you go.
And the door just closes.
That's right.
I'm going 70.
And it doesn't feel like
I'm going
right?
70.
How's the first impressions of driving the Tesla?
I mean,
Good?
I mixed emotions. It's amazing and it's not mine.
So how does it compare to your 12-year-old Acura MDX, honey?
First of all, I love that car. This car's better, but I love that car.
We're here. We came in that door.
No.
We can't get in.
Can you open this door?
This is the madness of CVX.
Oh my God.
It's all right here.
Guys, back up. Give me some space.
Give her some
okay?
space. We're not getting in, so we're gonna wander around another way. If we go, up here. We can go up here.
Good job. Get out.
Whoa.
Downstairs.
Look at that line. That must be for Brooklyn and Bailey right there. Ours is over there somewhere. There's the main stage. There's supposed to be double the number of people, but I'm not seeing it. There's our friends right here. What? We're gonna show you CVX Live. What do you do first? You go see Collins Key. Have you seen Collins Key before? He's awesome. Oh, no, on our way there. Check out this bus.
Squirrel.
It has big head people on there.
Yeah.
Networking. Yeah. So the next step in CVX Live is to come to our booth, right? This is our booth. What do we got, Lincoln? Oh man, he's just littering these cards. Look at these cards.
Cards.
They're like trading cards that have our name on it. Oh, it's a blurry, there you go. They have us on it. And on the back, they have some interesting facts, I think. That's pretty cool. And then these buttons.
That's the cards.
That's cool. All right, that's good, Lincoln. I think we're good. But the best part about this booth is not all the stuff about us. It's all these people right here. Check it out. All these people, they're here to say hi to us and take pictures and meet us. So this is so cool. If you ever have one of these conventions in your area and you want to meet YouTubers, like, we're gonna be here for like 3 hours just meeting people. It's so cool. Where are you guys from?
Sandy, Utah.
Hey, I grew up in Sandy. I went to Alta High School.
Oh, really?
That's awesome.
Nice.
Maybe I'll do like a time lapse. So here we go. Okay, time lapse was like the shortest time lapse ever because we have to sign some shoes. Oh, you're running out of space?
No.
Oh, look at that, dude! What happened? Not the best planner.
No.
It's been about an hour and the line is still going strong. Yeah.
It's like 10 minutes.
No. Look at this shirt. Sean Duras, high five. I feel like I need to like touch your chest, but that's weird, so I won't. Here's the line. Here's everybody waiting. We got some cool people. Favorite video. What is it?
The Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube. That's an old school one. That's cool. Roxy. Check out Roxy's poster. I like the back. Brooklyn and no, not because of Brooklyn and Bailey. They are nice, but look, we made the cut. Thank you for putting us on your board.
Yeah.
It's been about another 45 minutes. We still are in line. Lots of good people here. Maybe I'll turn on time lapse for real this time. And here's the end of the line. 2 hours later. All right, what's your names?
My name's Alex. Maya.
Have you girls watched any of our videos?
Yep.
What's one of your favorite videos?
I like the Nike Air Max.
Lincoln's Nike Air Maxes that he designed come out later this year, near the end of the year is what the latest that we've heard.
Well, I voted for that.
Thank you for voting. She
Yeah.
voted for you, Lincoln.
Yeah!
Oh boy. Bottle flip challenge. Survive that?
That was a lot.
That was a lot. I think I was off in my times in this video. That was about an hour and a half. I just got a text that we're number 4 on the trending page with our latest video.
Number 4?
Number 4. That's crazy. Our last video was number 1. That's wild. We're all done with the meet and greet. We have to get some hot dogs. Oh, Jimmy John's. Let's do that. It's faster. Yeah. This tall guy, this nice lady, this hairy guy, and this really loud guy. I don't know if you know any of them. Look at their line. There's their line right there. Here's our line right here. That means we're out of here. Let's go, Lincoln.
We're out of here?
Oh, I missed it. There we go. Bye. We'll see you later. That's how we leave CVX. We're gonna go find Zach because he is speaking right now, and he's our buddy. We like Zach. So 255B. 255.
This place is giant.
I think this is the place. B, right there, right there.
Pinterest did allow affiliate links for the longest time, and then suddenly they stopped allowing affiliate links.
This is definitely my favorite session I've been to this whole time. For sure, hands down. Is this your favorite talk that you've been to since we've been here?
Oh, totally.
Oh, me too.
We need to go on the stage.
We are now going behind stage, like we're literally behind the stage. We're gonna judge the next big YouTuber and give our votes. 3 CVX Lives ago, we did the fan experience and met with Stuart Edge. He did magic for us. It was like the greatest hour ever. Stuart is one of the expert panelist judges. Get ready, you gotta run up as fast as you can and do cartwheel. Stuart Edge. Mindy McKnight is gonna be the closer.
I'm gonna call you next. You're next.
Yes, there she goes. All right, are you ready? You
I'm
ready?
not ready. You put it down. Let's
Ready?
Go.
Go, 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 go. Yeah! Go, Lincoln. Go. There's everybody. There they are. We're one of the last people to leave this place. What time is it? Like 7 o'clock?
Yeah.
7 p.m. on a Saturday? What are you gonna do? There it is. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Do you know what my plan was? Is to twist it all up, then throw it, so it wouldn't do that.
Yep. There we go. All right, I'm gonna go downstairs. I'll see you later, buddy.
Hey.
This kid. I already told him he has to pick them all up, and now there he goes. See you, buddy. Bye. This is what happens on the end of the day of CVX Live. It's been a long 3 days. It's been good, but we gotta go get all of our stuff before they throw it in the garbage. This CVX Live experience is not over for us. Here's the deal. We came back to our table, and Shonduras had written his name Shonduras in our buttons and did some stuff with it. So here's the prank coming back on him. This is the Shonduras poster right there. We're gonna take his poster. We're gonna go to the space station, and we're gonna stick it on his stinking building, or go to his house and drape it over his car. This is happening, Sean.
We got the bungees. We're heading over to his house right now.
Doesn't look like anybody's home. It's Adley's birthday, I think, today, so they're probably out doing that stuff. So we gotta be quick and sneaky. Let's go, let's do this. Which one's next? Okay, we got this. Be quiet, be quiet. The dogs will hear us. They'll give it all away. Oh no, his light. Sorry, Sean.
Someone is supposed to go.
Well, it looks better.
Doing.
I think it looks great. Let's go get a picture by it, Lincoln. Let's get a picture. I don't have a camera.
You're holding one.
No, I mean like a camera. Hey guys, will you take a picture of us? Trying to be sneaky.
That's perfect.
Thanks, Sean, for giving us the challenge. I hope you enjoy your banner. So here's the deal. We just pulled up. There's like an auto show or something. There's cars everywhere. Like, look at all these cars. There's like so many cool cars here. Check it out. Corvettes, Nissans, Porsches, BMWs. all kinds of stuff. We just pulled up in our Tesla, why not? I don't know if it's as cool as these other cars, but we got some people that want to see it. We're not the only one, that's cool. I thought it was kind of funny, we just pulled up to some car show, but people do like seeing Teslas as much as we do, so that's cool. What's up? Lincoln was like, do not pull up there, guy. Dad, do not do it, don't do it. Nobody's gonna want to see the car. Thanks for coming and making us feel good about the car. We're gonna take off now. You good, Lincoln? Take off? Okay, all right. Thanks, guys. We'll see you.
That's hilarious.
That was awesome, right? All right, let's get out of here.
There's like a bunch of loud cars like that have been driving by where it's like creeping.
That was fun. First auto show was a success. We need to look up more of them and pull up, man. Those guys loved it. They were really nice, but they're like, dang, that car. We're tired, but it was good meeting everybody. So thanks to all those who came. Thank you to everybody that watches our channel. Whenever we go to conferences like this and we meet, I mean, we probably did like 6 hours of meeting people. And I know that's just a small sliver of the number of people that watch our channel, and it really, really does mean a lot to all of you guys that watch and subscribe and like the videos and do the notifications and all, comment and send us mail and all that. Really, really means a lot. So thank you, thank you, thank you. You may say that we broke his light. You may say that we showed them the new way the light should be.
It looks good.
One.